That was one of the craziest experiences I've ever had. It was like being on a drug. I saw fish. I was part of the Hunger Games. I had bow and arrows. I was shooting little people in the head.
They should make a live commercial out of him.
I love you. That's the only truth I know.
Let me clean this.
Make sure tune in to social media because there's going to be a video that Dom's going to make. Okay, so what are we doing?
We're going to have some sweet corn.
When is it going to start recording?
It's going to start when we're ready.
Do you think this reminds you of your hair? It reminds me of your hair. Hey guys! Does this remind you of Dom's hair?
She's so entertained by herself.
I've never shucked corn before. Thanks for this splatter. This is amazing.
Fresh. Wait, what are you doing? Are you making a mess? Dora!
Clean your basket. Look at all the seeds he has. Oh, look.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Don't record this one.
Alright, let's do this.
There's lightning.
We're parked right under a large tree. We're gonna head to Nick's, fast food, organic food place. Dora, where are we going?
Look at me because there's a big storm coming, and I'm a little worried right now how it's all going to work out.
Are you driving? Or am I driving?
Well, if we want a competent driver, I'll drive. If we want...
Who's the incompetent one? Alex? Yeah, I'll drive. Apparently, I'm the competent one.
No.
On record.
I'm nervous because I'm about to lose juice, and I know I got to drive. Okay, close this one.
Mike, tell us about Nick's.
It's an organic fast food restaurant. Actually, it's the first in the nation.
Dora! Wait, tell us what's going on?
I think I'm falling in love with you.
Oh, it's raining hard! Hi Dora, welcome to the party.
Should I get a 5 or a 6? Grilled chicken or crispy chicken?
Crispy chicken. You gotta go crispy.
Can I get a number 5?
Gus on Gus.
I'm gonna do the Big Nick Bacon Burger.
The organic Big Nick Bacon Burger. It's enormous and delicious, and we're all gonna have nasty onion breath afterwards.
I don't know what I'm getting. Okay, I'm gonna do a number 2.
15 meal.
Organic. Oh wait, sorry, no. A number 1. No cheese. And a Coke. Or whatever is comparable.
And then can I just get that without mustard?
They have a ginger beer, organic, it's not citron and lemongrass. That's what I'm doing. It doesn't taste like the ginger beer.
No, it's not. It's not sweet.
It's more lemongrass or a Sprite than it is a ginger beer. I'm gonna get something else. I'm gonna try the
Okay, it's organic.
blood orange. Yeah, Derek, no, just stay there with your guns. All right.
Cherry stuff's good.
Yeah. Mike, will you share it with me?
Oh, this is the night. It's a beautiful night, and we call it a band.
It looks exactly like the picture.
Wasn't even on me. Where are you? Minus that little accident, the fries are really tasty. Ketchup tastes fine. Time to move on to the burger. It tastes awesome. Kill me.
Here we go.
We're at the second biggest mall in America. That's according to Mike's Skull. We'll have to fact check that. But wait, where's everyone? There's the RV. No one around. That's right. They all left me behind because I was changing clothes. Oh, there's my people. The famous Woodville Mall. That is a giant. Sears still exists. It's incredible. I heard Dora yelling for me. Dora, where are you? Dora. I heard. Dora, did you notice how you can't even see my hair right now? Because I put on my hoodie so fast, trying to catch up with everyone.
Why don't you even this puppy out?
You want to hop on board? The train's coming!
When do you want me to start?
This is crazy.
Don, what's going on?
I have no clue. I'm looking at this world. Dora!
Oh, should I start recording?
Yes, you should have been recording. This isn't. Oh my God, I'm in a ship. Look, did anyone else see this? Do you guys see where I'm at? It's like a stingray right here. First off, I am not a Microsoft person, but that virtual reality was one of the craziest things I've ever experienced. I literally felt like I was on drugs and in another world. I've got to document this, Alex. I've got to because I ran out of juice in my camcorder. The goose juice. I ran out of juice. If you ever go to the Microsoft store and they have it, you have to do it. It's one of the best things you'll ever do. Look at this beautiful light setup, Dora. You can see my face perfectly. Uh-oh, hold on.
I have 2 10x20 foot green screens. Okay, so like the chateau, it's spelled S-H-A-T-E-A-U, and it's made for pooping. It's just a poop bathroom. It's got a shower. It's got like Ludius Maximus, and it's just like the poop bathroom. Me personally, like I like getting naked. I like being like around like nobody.
Is that an Italian thing?
Yeah,
because I've learned to get naked too. I'm like, I feel so uncomfortable in public bathrooms because I'm like, I just want to drop everything and literally just sit here naked on the toilet.
Yeah.
It has to be an Italian thing.
Yeah. Any preferences to what?
Dora! Mario Party. Who's in? We have me, Chrissy,
Yes,
Maxwell. You're in?
I think I'm good for now.
Since I was in high school. Well, no, this is just.
Okay.
The rules are here.
So it says use your cursor to tell.
I rode a little dolphin, and I'm in the lead.
He's in the lead right now. So now we're gonna play.
Oh no, I'm fourth.
For now. So now we're gonna play a mini game.
Because you have less coins than everybody, that's why you're in fourth.
Oh, okay. What the fuck am I? Wait, which one am I? Seriously?
Green one, I think.
I haven't figured it out. Which one am I?
Happy birthday to you.
32, fuck.
Happy birthday.
What's there to celebrate? In 3 years I could become president. Like
Yes!
Yeah, like.